Welcome to the next CSS module. For the first time, we will have this type of exercise. So as you can see, there are not any exercises we should do, any tasks. So we just have the lessons and description of certain topics. I will go through all of them, and you can pause the video and read every section. The module is called Local Website Development. Learn the tools required to work independently on your own computer. And I'm not gonna go through all the text right here. Like I said, I will record everything and you can pause the video and read through it. And let's go through all the sections. The next section is called Getting Started with Visual Studio Code. And getting started with Visual Studio Code and building HTML websites. Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular and powerful text editors used by software engineers today. And here is the text. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through all of it. You can pause the video and read everything. Okay, this should be all for this section. Let's proceed. And the next one is called Getting Started with Atom Editor.